We are in Detroit.
The D, which is Comeback City, reinventing itself. So that creates a perfect platform for RAPID TCT.
This conference is specifically around digital manufacturing, specifically 3D printing.
Showcasing HP's latest addition to 3D lineup.
And we'll get to see this new technology firsthand.
If you look at HP today, what we're seeing in digital manufacturing is parts to a cross-section of industries, verticals including automotive. We're seeing it inside of dental. We're seeing it in prosthetics.
Today, we're focused mostly on steels, in particular stainless steel.
But there's also some good presentations that people are putting out there about how they're using additive, how to think about driving adoption in their organization.
This idea of operating an ecosystem, partnering with subject matter experts.
The partnership is what provided us a lot of the experience. We solved problems by having good feedbacks together.
We complement each other. ADHP has binder jetting metal printing technology, and GKN with their knowledge in sinter technology and mass production for automotive.
We believe that we're today in the middle of a fourth industrial revolution.
2 years ago, we entered into with our 4200 lineup. Since then, we have launched our portfolio of prototyping products. We've launched our metals printers. And today, we're launching our next version of our production printer, the 5200.
A lot of the killer applications are heat exchangers, fluid dynamics, vibration absorbers, lightweighting.
HP digital manufacturing strategy is geared towards large industry, where we can disrupt existing technologies today, rethink how parts should be created and how parts can be used. A game changer in key verticals where mass customization is needed.
Looking at the future and helping our customers think of what is possible.
We are the growth business 5 to 10 years from now that will spur HP into the next decade.